Hey everyone, welcome back to Castro Oasis. We're super excited to bring you this special recap of our latest car show. Over 150 cars graced us with their presence, each showcasing its own flair. We had everything from sleek Lamborghinis and that standout Ferrari to McLarens, and plenty of hardcore modded rides, revving and shining as the evening unfolded into night. The air was filled with the sounds of engines. We wandered among classic beauties and modern beasts, chatting about the latest mods and the timeless charm of vintage lines. Our event was a relaxed gathering of friends. We shared stories, tips, and a lot of laughs. The highlight of the evening was definitely seeing the community come together, appreciating each other's work and the efforts put into maintaining such incredible machines. A massive thank you to everyone who came out and spent their evening with us. Your energy and enthusiasm turned this event from just a gathering into a true celebration of car culture. We're already gearing up for the next one, and we can't wait to throw an even bigger bash. So keep those engines tuned and stay ready for more amazing times at Castro Oasis. Until we meet again, drive safe and keep the passion alive. See you at the next event.